one experiment. The title of the experiment is Factors Affecting Size of Shadow. Now we are going to see the aim of the experiment to determine the factors which affect size of shadow. The problem statement is, what is the factors that affect size of shadow? Hypothesis. The further of the distance is of an object from the light source, the smaller the size of the shadow.
We want to see the variable in the experiment. Manipulated variable, distance of light source from the object. Responding variable, size of shadow. Constant variable, distance of object from the screen.
Today we want to demonstrate about the activity to describe factor affecting the size of shadow. Okay, let's start. Apparatus and materials. Ruler, cylindrical object, adhesive tape, flip card paper.
Today we want to do a step. Today we want to do a step. Step number 1. Stick a flip card paper on the wall. Step number 2. Place the cylindrical object on the table. Make sure no windy. Narmada, please switch off the fan. Step number 3. Direct the torch to the cylindrical object. Step number 4. Sketch the shape of shadow produced on the flip card paper. Okay, let's start.
To start.
Now I measure the size of shadow. Oh, wow, the quite big. Let's sketch. The height of shadow is 40 centimeter. Next is repeat step 2, 3 and 4 by changing the distance between the torch and the object. Now we go to step 4, sketch. This topic is very interesting. Narmada, can you explain about this data?